Remember the feeling of an exam with no materials allowed? Not sure, but you still had to write down some answer. LLMs are the same, running on memory alone. A regular LLM answers entirely from what it memorized during training. Nothing to look up, answering with confidence, but maybe wrong. The problem? It still answers very confidently, even if it's misremembering or the info is outdated. Now imagine bringing real material into the exam. RAG is like letting that same student bring real reference material into the exam to check before writing the answer. A little library right on the desk. That stack of material is the data store the system can search, and it can be updated anytime. Read the question first. It all starts with the student reading the question, understanding exactly what's being asked, flipping to find the right page. The student flips through the material, finding the part relevant to the question, not rereading everything from the start, underlining the right passage. Having found the most relevant passage, the student underlines it. That becomes the evidence for the answer. Writing a grounded answer. The final answer is written based on that exact passage, not a guess, but something backed by evidence. Side by side, LLM versus RAG. Same question. The LLM relies only on memory. RAG gets to check real material before answering. Open book answers are more accurate. They update with new material without relearning from scratch, and the model can say, "I'm not sure," instead of making things up. More accurate, better grounded. Updates with new material, no need to relearn from scratch. Can admit "I'm not sure" instead of making things up.